guys, welcome to Bagxinet Productions, your ultimate destination for mastering UI and UX design. My name is Mazi Ezike Chinedu, and I am so excited for you to start your journey into this exciting field of UI and UX design. On this channel, we will delve deep into the world of user interface design and user experience design, offering tutorials, tips, and insights that will help you to create visually stunning and highly functional designs. So guys, whether you are a beginner just starting out or a seasoned designer looking to hone your skills, Bagxinet Productions has something for everyone. So, I indulge you to kindly join us on this journey to elevate your design game and then bring your creative vision back to life. Now, if this is your first time of joining us on this channel, please kindly hit on the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss out on our next videos. Additionally, you can turn on the notification bell in order to get notified each time a new video drops. So guys, thanks for joining us on this channel. See you soon.